As I said at the beginning, we're going to be launching 3 entry-level devices today. I wanted to make sure that there was a perfect option for absolutely every out there. So let's see what's next. Redmi 9C. Now, Redmi 9C features an AI triple camera with a macro and depth sensor. Between these, it has a camera for basically every situation. And so you can see more. Redmi 9C comes with a 6.53-inch dot drop display. To quickly cover the big points, Redmi 9C comes with a triple camera that serves in almost any situation, an immersive 6.53-inch display, a massive 5,000 milliamp hour battery, and we've enhanced that battery for a longer lifespan, the gaming-ready Helio G35, your favorite features, and it comes in these 3 super cool, stylish colors. For competitor entry-level devices, you'd pay probably about 159 euros to start. Well, Redmi 9C is going to start at just 119 euros. And for more storage, more RAM, 139 euros. Availability is going to begin late July. So please stay tuned to your local social media channels for regional availability info. Stacking it up with the competition, you can see where the value lies. Now, I've got one more option and one more addition to the Redmi 9 family. Redmi 9A. Redmi 9A is a highly reliable device. It won't let you down. Largest in-class dot drop display, certified for low blue light protection by Germany's TÜV Rheinland. A massive 5,000 milliamp hour battery with, again, that enhanced lifespan. Reliable, smooth Helio G25. 13 megapixel AI camera, and a headphone jack and expandable storage up to 512 gigabytes. Other options cost about 170 euros. We wanted to really impress you with this price, and I think we got pretty impressive here. So, Redmi 9A is going to be available starting at a startling 2-digit 99 euros. Crazy, right? I don't know about you. For me personally, this isn't a hard choice. Just over half the price for more of basically everything. So these are the newest additions to the Redmi series. Redmi 9, Redmi 9C, and Redmi 9A. There's going to be one for basically any type of entry-level user out there. Powerful value, incredible price.